Are you gravity or vertically challenged and have troubles getting into your 21 and up Bronco, 2-door and 4-door? Well, these will help you, give you a little bit of a grab handle. They're also rated at 500 pounds, but I've been asked how much weight will they pull? So I'm gonna hook them up to my Bronco, like so. We'll see if it drags it down the road. All right, so now you can see how much weight they can hold. I would highly not recommend doing that, especially if you're trying to pull your truck out of the mud or something like that. But it shows you how much tensile strength they have and they can hold up dragging this thing down the road. We have both black and gray, cha-ching, in stock. You can buy them in pairs for a 2-door or your 4-door. Now let me show you how easy they are to install. This is a 4-door. 2-doors are just alike, but on the front and 4-door, you're gonna have these 2 bolts. 1, 2, they're 8mm bolts. You're going to want to remove those first. You use those bolts, put it through an eyelet, get it started, and then put it through the other eyelet, and get it started over here. And you're going to want to tighten them down, and make sure not to cross thread this as you install it. I like to hold down a little bit on it, so I know it doesn't bunch up and turn when you tighten it the rest of the way. So I'm both started, run them in, and make sure they're tight. I'll use a ratchet. There you have it. Front one's done. The rear's the same and the 2-door is exactly the same as that. Thanks for watching.